In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send follow-up with Mautic. We'll walk through building a simple, reliable follow-up that automatically sends an email to anyone who doesn't reply to your initial message. Start by opening your Mautic login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, head to Campaigns, find the campaign you want to enhance and open it. Click Edit, then choose Launch Campaign Builder to access the visual flow editor. This is where you'll add the logic that checks for a reply, and if there isn't one, sends your follow-up. In the canvas, click the plus sign where you want the next step to occur, typically right after your first email. When the step selector opens, choose Decision. From the list of decisions, pick Replies to Email. This tells Mautic to watch for an actual reply from the contact and branch your flow accordingly. Give this decision a clear name so you can recognize it later, something like Did they reply to email 1, and click Add. Clear names make troubleshooting and reporting much easier. You'll see two paths from this decision: yes for contacts who replied, and no for those who didn't. On the no path to the right, click the plus sign to add the next step. Select Action as the step type, then choose Send Email. Name this action so it's obvious what it does, for example, Send Follow-up Email. Next, configure when the follow-up should go out if there's no reply. Choose a delay that fits your audience. Often 1 to 3 days works well. Consider business hours and time zones to maximize open rates, and avoid sending too quickly so your message feels helpful, not pushy. If your Mautic instance tracks replies via a monitored inbox, this timing will kick in only when no reply is detected. Now select the email template you want to send. Make sure it's approved and ready, with a concise subject line and content that references the original message. Keep it short, remind them of the value, and include a clear call to action. Personalization tokens can boost engagement, so use them if your data is clean and reliable. Click Add to place the action into your campaign. At this point, your workflow checks for a reply and automatically delivers a follow-up to anyone who hasn't responded within your chosen time frame. That's it. Your follow-up logic is in place and ready to support consistent outreach